Hello boys and girls, welcome back for math time. So we are cruising right through our chapter 2 subtraction. You guys are doing a great job. So today we're going to do a review on a couple of the different strategies that we talked about that helped us through this subtraction, and then I've got a special little assignment for you. It's at the end of our chapter 2 book. All right, so let's take a look at just a few of these strategies just as a review. So we have a subtraction sentence like this. We're trying to find the difference between 3 and 2. 3 minus 2. Well, one of the ways that we've practiced is using a picture. Sometimes in the book they have a picture for you. If they don't, you can draw your own like this. Here's 3 dots because I have 3. And I'm subtracting or taking away 2. So let's subtract 2 by circling, crossing them out, and we're left with 1. 1. So that's using our pictures, right? That was one way that we practiced. Now, other ways are cubes. We have 3, 1, 2, 3. We take away 2, and we're left with 1. So it's the same problem, just set up a different way. You can also go to our number line. We have 3 minus 2, 1, 2, so we have 2 hops, and we end up on 1. So that is our cubes, that is our picture, that is our number line way of doing it. Now, there were some other things that we did during the chapter that I want us to practice real quick, like this. We would have pictures that we would compare with others. And you would line them up. You would line them up to see what the difference is. To see how many more or how many fewer. So I would line them up with a line drawn from one to another, right? 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to... Okay, there's no more. I can't. So that means that there are 2 more circles, right? Or you could say that there are 2 fewer X's. 2 more circles, 2 fewer X's, because there's none here, right? Okay. Now, we also had problems that came in a bar model, right? We had problems that came in a bar model, like something like this, right? And this gave us our total. There was 6, and we had 1 up here, and this is apart because this whole thing is equal to 6, but it's broken up into 2 pieces, so there's just 1 here. So we have to find out what the rest of that is. So we take our whole here, and we take away one of these parts or pieces. 6 minus 1. Now to solve that, you can use your number line, you can use your dots, you can use your cubes. So let's see. Here is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to take away 1. And we're left with how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. So it was really just about seeing exactly what the question is asking you to do. Right? And I know that can be confusing sometimes. That's why we like to get a lot of practicing. Okay, so speaking of practice, we are going to go to the end of our Chapter 2 workbook. Yeah, that's right. We're going to finish that thing up. So it is on page, all the way at the back, right? Page 89. Looks like this. Page 89. And we're going to do these problems, and I would like you to work on them as much on your own as you can. If you need an adult to read the directions for you, that's fine, but I want you to do the math, because I want to see what I need to teach more of. So if we get the first one, enough of us get the first one incorrect, then I could go back and I can reteach that so we can get it all correct next time. So let's take a look. I'll read through. First one here, and remember you can pause at any time. So you're going to circle the part that you're taking away. There were 5 zebras, 3 zebras walk away. How many zebras now? Same with this one. This time we're just using cues, but you're going to circle and cross out. There are 6 cats, 5 cats run away. So solve the subtraction problem. Same with this one. There are 4 dogs, 1 dog runs away. You're going to solve that. This one down here, this is asking if these are true. If it's true, circle yes. If it's not true, circle no. Is 5 minus 5 equal to 0? Yes or no? Is 2 minus 2 equal to 2? Yes or no? And is 4 minus 0 equal to 4? Yes or no? Okay. Now let's turn the page. So this one, we're going to use some colors. We need red and yellow. And you follow these directions. There's 9 pencils. 5 are red. 5 of these are red. The rest are yellow. So you're going to figure out how many are yellow and you're going to complete the number sentence. This one might look familiar. There's 6 frogs on a log. 1 frog is big, the others are small. How many frogs are small? We're going to find the missing answer. Down here, look at this picture. How many fewer bats are there? How many fewer bats than balls? You'll circle the number here, whatever is the correct answer. So you're going to line them up. Right? You're going to line them up. Okay? And finally, we have a page here. We're going to skip that one, okay? 91. Don't worry about 91. Instead, we're going to go all the way to the end. This is the last page. This is 92. And then here is our first problem. You have a lot of space to work. Mr. Bear catches 8 fish. He takes 3 fish home. He throws the other fish back in the water. How many fish does he throw back in the water? So you've got to figure out our subtraction sentence here. All right? And this one down here, write the subtraction sentence the picture shows. So this picture shows a subtraction sentence. I want you to write it out right here. See where it says explain? Don't worry about that. Pretend like that's not there. I just want you to do the subtraction sentence. Okay? Alright. So have fun with that. We are finishing up chapter 2 of our math. So our subtraction is going to start getting a little bit more challenging when we come back to it. So make sure you're doing your absolute best. Have some fun with it. And I'll see you next time for math. Bye-bye.